Hey everyone, Michelle again with Chairside Chat. I wanted to show you the TePe toothbrush called the Supreme Toothbrush. This is not a TePe opinion, this is my opinion. I don't know why our toothbrushes are getting bigger. Like our mouths aren't getting bigger. Actually, there's plenty to show that epigenetics is happening and our faces and teeth or our arches are getting more narrow. So I don't get why our toothbrushes are getting bigger. But this is also why I love the TePe Supreme brush. So you're seeing some of a trend go to these feathery style bristles, and I am really happy about that because I love it for sweeping into that sulcus and touching the tooth surface, really focusing on gum care and tooth care with the same toothbrush. So TePe has one called the Supreme Toothbrush. Again, it's going to have these feathery style bristles. This is a regular one, and then they have one that's slightly smaller called the compact toothbrush. So people with really small arches and in your youth, your young adults and children that might want to use them. So what's great about this is it's going to have a silicone grip, a nice little thumb grip here so they can kind of get in there and have a real good handle. This is also going to be, because remember, TePe's products are thermoplastics, so you can heat them up and bend them a little bit so they can reach to the back there. And look at the head, it's nice and narrow. So patients aren't going to shove or hit their jaw and that masseter muscle when they're trying to get really far back there, especially if they have third molars, right? So I would encourage you to go ahead and give this a try on yourself, not just your patient. I know we always want to buy things or find things and get samples and try it on our patients, but try it on yourself. I'll tell you what your thoughts are. Well, my thoughts are I just hit that, and I'm sorry, that was probably really loud in your ear. So what my first thoughts were about this toothbrush is that I did not like it because it felt pokey. It felt pokey. These little bristles felt pokey. I felt like they were stabbing into my gum tissue, and I was having an inflammatory reaction because I had not been stimulating into the sulcus with my previous toothbrushes. So I really loved it once I got over that hump of what is happening to my gums? This hurts. And also I was like, God, I just don't feel like this is cleaning as well because they are softer. They're a little more feather-like. And so yes, it doesn't feel like you're scrubbing in there, but they are really disrupting a lot of biofilm because down into the sulcus and in between the teeth. And I even have my patients get creative with it. Sometimes I kind of have them press it in there. I'm not gonna put this in my mouth because one, I know you guys probably don't want to see that, but two, I've been touching it. And so I have a video somewhere I'll send you, and there's lots of videos on YouTube if you guys really want to see what it's like. But I have them kind of get in there between the teeth, flex them, kind of massage the gums in a little ways, and then they can go back and forth. They can even do whatever technique you really want them to do. But give this a try. It's called TePe Supreme. Regular head is this one, but they also have a compact head. Hope you guys are enjoying Chairside Chat. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and spread the word. Let everybody know and use our code ATOTH for 40% off at tepeusa.com. Bye guys.